Hello everyone and welcome back to Techavro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to use Google Drive. So first and foremost, we just want to head over to our Google Drive and then voila, sign in. This is not the account we want. We want to go to safe, cross that out. And now we have our brand new Google Drive. Now our Google Drive has a storage limit of only 15 gigabytes. So make sure you keep that in notice. You can obviously buy storage. If I just clicked on buy storage, and now this is going to be billed monthly, or you can also get an annual bill. So after you do that, that is how to increase your storage, but we're not going to increase storage right now. This is our drive. You can obviously create your own Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, or you can create more, and you can also go into drawings. And then you've got My Computer. This is if you've got your computer synced with Google, you can have stuff from your computer like it's written over here. Share with me. This is when someone shares something with you. They send you a link directly to your email and you open it with your email. You've got your trash, and yes, that's about it. You can obviously drag anything and drop it into Google as long as it's within those 15 gigabytes of available storage. Now, if your storage is more than 15, for example, if it was 200 GBs, you can just easily pop in game files, pop in anything you want. Google really does not have any restrictions on what you can have on their drive, so you can just drop in whatever you want and share it with people. So if I make a new folder, right, untitled, it's working on it. That's a new folder. Right click, share. It's going to show me loading. I can obviously type in an email, or I can go with copy link. Only people with access can open with link. So basically you'll have to add them, or you can just do anyone with the link and then copy link and give it to them. And you can give them a power viewer because you don't want them to change it, right? So yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.